every thought you have, every movement you make, every heartbeat, every breath. Everything is controlled by a powerful system inside your body. In a fraction of a second, signals travel from your brain to different parts of your body, allowing you to react, feel, and function. If this system is disrupted, even simple actions like walking, speaking, or remembering can become difficult. This system is called the nervous system, and it is the body's command and communication network. So how does the nervous system actually work? The nervous system is made up of two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. The brain acts as the control center, processing information and making decisions, while the spinal cord acts as a communication pathway, sending signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The peripheral nervous system consists of all the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord to different parts of the body. These nerves carry signals back and forth, allowing the body to respond to its environment. For example, when you touch something hot, sensory nerves send a signal to the brain, and within milliseconds, motor nerves send a signal back to your muscles to pull your hand away. At the core of this system are specialized cells called neurons. Neurons transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. Each neuron has a unique structure that allows it to receive, process, and send information. These signals travel at incredible speeds, allowing you to react almost instantly. The nervous system controls both voluntary actions, like walking or speaking, and involuntary actions, like heartbeat, digestion, and breathing. The involuntary control is managed by a part of the system called the autonomic nervous system, which works automatically without conscious effort. The study of the nervous system has developed over centuries, with early contributions from scientists like Hippocrates, who believed the brain was the center of thought, and later researchers who discovered how neurons transmit signals. These discoveries helped us understand how the brain and nervous system control the body. When the nervous system is damaged or disrupted, it can lead to serious conditions. For example, damage to brain cells can cause stroke, problems in signal transmission can lead to epilepsy, and degeneration of neurons can result in diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. Even minor disruptions can affect memory, coordination, or reflexes. Today, modern technology is transforming how we understand and treat nervous system disorders. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze brain activity, detect neurological diseases earlier, and improve diagnosis through advanced imaging techniques. AI can help identify patterns in brain scans that may indicate early signs of disease, allowing for faster and more effective treatment. The nervous system is one of the most complex and essential systems in the human body. It connects every part of the body, controls every function, and allows you to think, feel, and interact with the world. Understanding how it works is key to understanding how the human body functions as a whole, and how modern science is working to protect and improve brain health.